She hit the chat, tell all your girls. I'm scared to ask if we last time never. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are drafting a basic sleeve pattern. We'll be drafting a short sleeve pattern today, so without further ado, let's get right into it. As usual, we're going to start by drawing and labeling our starting line, as you can see in the video. Next, we are going to measure our vertical distance from our shoulder to our bicep, and we're going to draw that line and label it as our bicep line. So mine was 5 inches, as you can see here. I'm going to mark it across. Now this is what I'm showing you on the screen here, so go ahead and measure yours and then label it as your bicep line. Now the last line we're going to draw is our full length. Measure how long you want your sleeve to be from your shoulder, and then you're going to measure that on the paper and you label it as your full length line. So for mine, I want it to be 10 inches, so I'm just going to mark that and label the line. Next, I'm going to measure around my bicep and divide that by 2. So around my bicep was 12, divided by 2 is 6, so I'm going to mark that here. Next, I measured around where I want the sleeve to end, and I divided that by 2 as well and marked it on the full length line. After which, I'll go ahead and join those 2 points. So now I'm going to draw a line from that bicep point there to meet the edge of the starting line, like so. Next, I'm going to find the midpoint of that line there by dividing it into 2, and then I'm going to mark it. Now from the midpoint here, I'll go up by half an inch. And for this area here, I'll find the midpoint and mark it. And from this midpoint here, I'll come down by a quarter of an inch. Now this is a quarter of an inch. The area here is bent, so let me show you from here. So from the main line, come down by 2, 1, 2, and this is the quarter of an inch. So I came down by that, and next I'm going to join all those points together. I'm also going to indicate that this side should be cut on fold, so that I won't be confused when it's time to cut it. Now we're basically done. You can go ahead and cut it out. You can cut it out with allowance, or you can add the allowance when you're cutting on fabric. Either way works. Anyway, because it's a sleeve, we are going to need 2 of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and indicate that. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.